Meet Emily, a vibrant teacher from Boston. Battling fluctuating energy and stubborn weight, her days often ended in exhaustion. When her colleague, Mark, shared his success with the ketogenic diet, skepticism danced in her mind. Could this really be her solution? With a mixture of hope and hesitance, Emily waved goodbye to her favorite pastas and bread. In their place, avocados and cheese sticks took the center stage in her kitchen. This was the beginning of a journey she never anticipated, stepping into a world where fat fuels and every meal is a step towards transformation. As Emily's new diet begins, the adaptation is anything but smooth. Encountering the dreaded keto flu, she wrestles with headaches and relentless fatigue, emotions tinting her days with doubt. Was this change worth the struggle? It was during a heartfelt conversation with Dr. Sarah Jensen, a seasoned nutritionist, that her perspective began to shift. Dr. Jensen's empathetic guidance and tweaking of Emily's meal plan lit a new spark of determination within her. With every hardship, Emily learned a vital lesson: true change requires unwavering perseverance, a newfound mantra she carried forward. 2 months into her ketogenic voyage, Emily witnesses astonishing transformations. The scale reflects a triumphant loss of 15 pounds, but the real victory extends beyond numbers. Where afternoons once demanded naps, they now open up to scenic hikes through winding trails. Clarity pierces through the fog in her mind, invigorating her teaching and enriching conversations. During a cozy dinner, her brother Alex, initially a skeptic, can't help but admit the vibrant change in her. The difference in Emily's energy and mood shines as brightly as the candles on their table, illuminating newfound possibilities in her vibrant journey. Half a year marks not just time, but transformation for Emily. In the very hallways where she once walked lethargic and uninspired, she now strides with purpose, hosting a wellness workshop at her school. Sharing her keto journey passionately, she enlightens her colleagues about the diet's life-altering benefits, debunking myths and weaving through her personal victories. Beyond her professional realm, Emily sets a new, exhilarating challenge for herself: her first half-marathon. Each step she plans to run is fueled by gratitude for the unexpected path that not only reshaped her body but redefined her life's purpose.